Here is how you can upload images directly into the Discord chat with Midjourney, which you can then use as a basis for a prompt for generating new images. It's very simple. All you have to do is go into the message bar and click on the plus icon. Then go to Upload File. And from here, you can choose any image, but make sure it's less than 8 megabytes. Then you can send this message into your Discord chat. And then from in the Discord chat, you can tap on the image. It will go to full screen. And from there, you want to open the image in a new tab. From here, we will copy the URL of the image. So just copy that, go back to the Discord chat, put in your standard imagine command, and paste in the URL. Now, based on this, Midjourney will create images with this as a base. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not stick around for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on everything to do with AI art. Have a delightful day.